the diamonds ain't cheap. I'm charging $250 just a tweet. Round with 200 rounds on the seat. Burning on meals, about to get a beat. She make a film just for me to see. After she suck it, let her hit the key. I'm putting double C's on the trish. Get too much money tricking like this. I had a pop star, I'm the GOAT. I got a supermodel in my lap. Bring down the dog junkies in the trap. Fuck off a $half a shooting crap. I put your rap career in my ear. Niggas so creaky, bought the bitch vanilla. Pour up the drink, I'm peeling back the seal. Walk on my chain like a Navy SEAL. Loaded on sticks, ready to go to war. Move like the military on tour. I got my finesse game on point. Coding the movie, Spike Lee joint.
Stock selling the 4 mil on that meth. Oh yeah. Stock selling the porter to the guys. Let me see her get out. Hey, you gonna ride the white thing with me or what? You want to?
I ride on the back.
Huh? You gonna ride on the back?
Yeah. I leave a cycle like that, you ain't catch me.
Well, y'all, I'm telling you, Mator is a sneaker. Bro, it needs a little bit of weight on that clutch. This bike could be crazy. Seriously. What you trying to do, Chris? Woo! I know you got your hands full with it, but look, let's line it up. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Oh yeah. Hey, y'all, this is how we riding. That's how we pull up the zone, just like this, every race. The Dark Vader. Come on, baby. Get it. Well, that bike's pulling, bro. All right, so I'm on Mator. You riding 92?
We'll switch it up.
All right, flag is Chris. Right. See how we got Mator out here? I just changed, huh? Just regular flag? Yeah, like boom, boom, point, him, nod, yeah. Straight down, yeah. Put that 15 on the front, ain't gonna tell him, baby, run 100 mile an hour. I'm telling you, about to tear him up. Old Mator about to get a dub. Got another Banshee out here today. I'm leaving second on him, watch. This baby spin the tires and goes.
This is gonna be a real good race.
It ain't gonna be a good race. It ain't gonna be a good race.
I ain't worried about him. You ready?
All that clean bike for what?
I got right lane.
Right lane?
Alright, sweet.
Damn, sweet. Oh, man.
Ain't that money, sweet.
Smoked up. And a bog.
Go. Let's go. Let's do a roll it back. Hey, when we get to the end of the barrier.
Third. Hey, Mator riding today, bro.
We're gonna have to run that back. Bro, this bike is just so dang jumpy, bro.
I'm telling you, bro, you better make a good pass. Bro, tan up a 10 mil, bro. This is crazy.
I might try to leave in second.
Why? It's too first gear is too short,
I'm just wheeling the whole time.
You gotta clutch it. You won't ride this?
Nah, come on, run it back one more time.
I'm telling you, you gotta use your clutch finger. You keep it up in the RPMs in second when it leaves? Yeah. I tell you, like, bro, we got Mator. I'm so happy with it right now.
It's pulling the wheels in third gear. Like, down the track.
Bro, I'm happy with it. I'm telling you, it's, bro, but it's still slipping that clutch a little. What, with me on it, what?
So what you want, it's definitely riding better.
You think?
Yeah, like, it's definitely faster.
You think? All right, let's see what this 392 hitting for, babe. Got some compression. Thinking these back brakes work, we'll ride some wheelies. I told you, if it ain't that 465 Banshee, I can wheel it, but I mean, you want to ride this with me or you want to ride down with me? You want to wheel or you want to go fast?
Don't matter.
Come on, ride this with me. My boy Sweet gonna hit the streets with me on the Banshee. I can't hurt him now, he's an athlete now. You want the helmet?
Should I?
Like 170.
Just say it, Sweet.
My stomach in my ass right now. That's just fun though. Damn. You get on that shit, your legs feel like they.
Yeah, bro.
Like what, bro?
Isn't that scary? Whenever you feel it push it back on
Bro,
you, your arms back,
bro,
like,
dude, all I see is the sky. I'm like shit.
We gotta get y'all a good race here today. So we got Mator, Jordan's gonna be riding it. I'm gonna ride 92. 92 is hard to drive because you just gotta get that thing, like, leave it out straight without wheeling. It's got that much power. But Mator, the clutch slipping so much, Mator on the top side is just, I really don't know which bike's running faster right now. I do know the 92 is running like 100, right around 100 range. Let's go.
I got Mator.
You think?
I'm riding with Mator. What you say, Sweet? You ride with that blue thing again? What you riding with?
Shit, Jockey J.
Jockey J.
Jockey
So,
J.
when I was on Mator, all y'all went for the 92. Okay.
I've been riding Mator all day, bro. Mator for the win.
Yeah.
Bike slow, bro. Don't run it. Man, barely get out, bro. I'm undefeated today. Let's go. Oh, he's dead. He dead. Telling y'all, that's that big thing, not the little one. You're racing the big dog now. What happened?
I left out of first that time. I leave out a second this time.
Why would you leave out of first?
Just to see.
Me?
Oh no, I was coming.
I missed 6.
Huh?
Did I shift?
I had to let out.
Why?
Cause when it came up in second, I was coming. I'm in third. I was coming way behind you.
Really?
Yeah, it caught to the left. But this bike is running. It's coming up. Huh?
Let's do a roller.
All right.
I'm gonna go when you go though.
Made a top side for real.
Something.
You think?
Yeah. That bike's definitely doing over 100.
Who won that race down there?
He won the race, but you came around him after the finish line.
But I'm telling you, this bike, when I shifted into the third, when we raced, it shot to the left, so I had to let out.
Yeah, this bike, I bet you this bike's doing probably 104 right now.
We can see with the drag it real quick.
With just a 15 front sprocket. That's a 15 on.
What's on
yeah,
the
it's
back?
a 15 on the front.
40 something.
I think it's either 39 or 40.
It might be a 42. I think it is a 42.
Bro,
I'm going over the
15,
first, bro.
1541, the bike's running 100 plus. That's crazy.
Chain getting loose.
Nah, you gotta leave it like that because it squats. Everything how it's supposed to be, bruh. When it squats, it tightens up.
Let me get on it.
Well, you ass better hold on.
I ain't riding this goofy motherfucker.
Let me see how tight. If you hear clack clack, hit the brakes hard and then kill it. It barely get out. Watch it.
Oh, damn, bro.
Barely get out. That crank good, we're gonna see right now. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that boy come around and turn flying. Well, that shot working hard. Overtime, double time. Weekend overtime.
Who welded that on?
Yeah!
That's how you know that
bitch
work. You know that thing work. Well solid.
I'm trying to tell you, catch out right, you hear me? Come get with me.
Yeah, me. Little bonus content, we're gonna race the 450 right here, guys. Yeah. Bone stock, upgraded head and cam. Oh, they got that GYTR.
It just comes already preset. Fucking ported.
Poured it already?
Yeah, from Yamaha. I think that's it. Yeah, everything else OEM.
You think he's doing over 100 or no?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah, that bitch got to. I mean, at least 100 still.
So we're gonna do a roll look with him because he got a bald-ish tire. All right, let's go, y'all. Bonus content. Got the Banshee versus the 450. Being like fourth. I didn't get the top speed for sure. Let's do it again. Let's go on. You go going on the way back?
Yeah, we can go on our way back.
All right, let's get it. It's pulling on the top, bro. It just takes so long for this bike to get up like to its top speed.
Oh yeah, he was way out in front of
Yeah, I know.
Bitch started maxing out.
Yeah. Like when he's maxing out, this bike is like, yeah. It's just getting that
ready
power,
to
man.
catch up.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go back to the 14 and we can like run it back and shit.
But it did 90 and we were kind of, both the bikes are close to
I
100
might
for sure.
we probably could make a hit after I put that 14 on. Cause this bitch got so much bottom in right now.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
Oh.